Welcome back to Mushroom Squad, and today I'm going to be showing you guys all my slimes. This is an update though, because I've already done this type of video before, so this is just going to be an update. So let's get started. We're going to be doing least favorite to favorite. So let's get started. Alright, this is my least favorite one. It's super cool. It's a lava lamp, but the slime texture is horrible. I'm not even going to get this out because it goes everywhere. But, like, there was a clear piece and then there's a pink piece. Then there was, like, these beads that had something on them before. And then that made them shoot up to the clear piece and made it look super cool. That was my favorite slime then, but this slime isn't very good. It's super sticky and it gets everywhere, so I'm just not going to even take that out. So let's go to my next slime. This used to be my least favorite. It's the Amazing Slimes Extra Splits Glitter Palooza slime. I added lotion to it and it made the slime so much stretchier and so much, like, it makes it a lot better. But the bubbles, like, don't pop. Like, look at that. Don't pop. They just get tinier and tinier. Look at that. They just keep getting tinier and tinier. They don't actually pop. But overall, it's actually a pretty good slime. It's actually a pretty good slime, to be honest. But the rest of them are better. I added lotion to it. It used to be horrible. It used to be my 100% least favorite slime. But yeah. It always has to fart when you get it in. It's hard to get in. Alright. Alright, and my next least favorite slime is my Squishy Buddies, which the Squishy Buddies are gummy bears, like squishy gummy bears. This used to actually be my favorite slime, but it became like really not stretchy over time. It used to be super stretchy though. And when you break it, it doesn't go back together anymore. Like, I don't know. It used to be a super good slime though. I'm not sure if it still makes good bubble pops.
Honestly, I really want, like, mushroom, anything mushroom.
My friend's also filming a video, but it does make bubbles. Yeah, bubble pops are still okay, but it's super, like, I don't know, but I don't really like it that much. I'm gonna be putting these back in as I go. Okay, my next least favorite slime is this slime. It's great, it feels good, but the only reason is because it stains my hands green. And it is super stretchy, but it does not make bubble pops, and it stains your hands green. So I have to deduct a couple points from that. 1 second. Okay, I forgot what I was saying because I had to do something. But yeah, it makes bubbles, if that makes sense, but they just don't stay and they don't make noise when you pop them. But it stains your hands. Like, look at that. Wait, play with it some more, just to show you how it stains my hands, like bluish. But super good slime. It used to be tie-dye, like red, yellow, and blue, but it turned green over time. Okay, sorry, my friend is filming too, I think. But Yeah, and then next is this slime.
Don't like
It's actually a really good slime. It's just, there's not a lot of it, and it's not the best texture ever. And yeah, but it's still very good. Oh, look at that. Why does it look like that? Oh, it's a bubble. Oh, that's a big bubble.
Okay, so
Oh, wait. How did that bubble get that big? I didn't know slime bubbles could be that big.
anything with tomato sauce? Ew.
And it has these cute little charms. It's actually one of my favorites. But I have some better ones. Like these slimes that are my least favorite are still very good. It's just I have better ones. Look how cute that cake charm is. Oh my gosh. But it does not stretch or make bubble pops. Well, it makes bubbles, but they don't pop good. But it smells so good. It smells like cake frosting, and the cute little charms. It does make a good sound when you poke it, but yeah, and then this one does not fart, sadly. Yeah, and then my next favorite or least favorite, I'm not even keeping track anymore, but it's this cute slime. It has only a couple fruit charms. They're all oranges though, and one strawberry. Oh. And yeah, it's super cute. It pokes good. I wish there was more things. I'm just kidding. There's actually like so many of them. I wish there was less, to be honest. There was foam cubes, but I squished them until they were like literally this small. Still good. By the way, go check out Mush1234. My favorite YouTuber and my best friend. Sadly, this does not stretch very well, and it does not make bubble pops. But I'm just giving it like a 10 out of 10 from looks. But like from the actual quality of the slime, would probably like a 6 or 7. But it's actually like super good. So yeah, I can just add that back. Put it back together, and then next we're getting into my favorites. It's my lavender cow. It's so soft. I love it so much. Woo! But it's actually super nice. It has this lavender piece in it. You can't see it because that's slime all over it. But it's super nice and so fluffy. I think it's an icy slime. I'm not quite sure. It's so soft. It's so good. I did it in the wrong order. Oh no! I actually meant to do this before this. I don't like this as much as this. This is my honey slime. It isn't as good as the lavender one. I don't know why I put the lavender one first, but it is super nice. It has great bubble pops. Yeah, but that's super good. And I already showed you my lavender one, super soft. Oh, and then my absolute favorite, if you're an Aries, you know. Because I'm an Aries, the best zodiac sign in my opinion. But it's a Bingsu. It's called Aries Rock Candy. It's a Bingsu slime. It smells so good.
And guys, in the next video, I'm going to be making, I'm going to be rating my slimes, and also, I don't know, pretty much just showing you guys all my slimes. But look at that. And look at this.
It's super nice, and it has this
This
cute
time I would definitely
star
name
charm. It's adorable.
something related with the ocean.
But yeah.
With the beach, because it is definitely looking like
Watch my next video in the video where I rate them.
seashells.
But I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.